Welcome back to part number 3. Got all the screws out all the way around. Now I got it loose. Pulled this whole thing off. That's the inside the TV. And I just throw that down there till that's all plastic. So what we're looking for, copper and black. Here's another boogie board. Got a little bit of copper and black in it. Another one. A bunch more in there. Black or copper in here. Don't know until I get the tape off. A bunch more in here. So yeah, I got a little bit of work to do. Speaker. If you ever want to know why these here, I don't know. But it's an old TV. Bottom on the inside. This cord comes up and out, and that's the plug in. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.